In order to fix the blurry videos on Facebook and increase the quality, you can follow the simple steps. First, go ahead, open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner, scroll down, go to Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. From this page, you need to scroll down and go to Media, that is under the Preferences section. Once you're here, you'll see the section of Video Quality that is below the Data Saver section. Make sure that you have set it to Optimized under the Video Quality or Higher Quality if the option is available, and this will make your videos clearer. You can also tap on Autoplay in Feeds and Stories and select either on mobile data and Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi only. This will make your videos play automatically on your device, or you can choose Never to turn it off. Switching to Wi-Fi will make your video load in higher resolution as well. Now your Facebook videos should play in better quality. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.